Yo, what up tubers, it's your boy Scotty Z coming at you with another EVT video. This video we're going to be blowing up some airbags, well just one airbag, and then one seatbelt tensioner. Sometimes when we replace these we can't just throw them away with live explosives, so we got to detonate them in a safe manner. So check it out. If you look at it,
it's because it's not like, I was imagine it's going to clip under the bar like that.
yeah,
And hold it.
yeah. I saw that. This is probably going to be weaker than the other one.
That one smells like powder.
Right? That one didn't really smell that much.
No, it didn't. That one smells like powder.
Alright, so this was the side curtain airbag. See, it's got this cylinder here. So you got 12 volts. Goes into the plug. Explodes explosive. And fills the airbag up. And then these are our seatbelt tensioners. So we got another gunpowder in here. 12 volts after the collision sensor goes off, triggers the explosive, and then it tensions up this buckle. There you go. He's been detonated. Throw him away. That's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Appreciate y'all watching. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't just follow the wolves. Lead the pack. Later.